Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a little bit of a different kind of video. I've never filmed a video like this before. I ordered this Pixnor 7-in-1 Beauty Care Massager deep pore cleansing brush, and I've been using it for about a week now, and it's completely changed up like my entire face routine, and I've been loving it. So I thought I would make a little bit of a video about it and show you all of the different heads and everything. I don't know if there are any other videos about it, like reviews or like little demos or anything we could get unready. I figured we could kind of like use it and I'd show you all the different parts and pieces because I super love it, and I've already seen a difference in my skin, and I think everybody should check it out, especially those who can't afford like a Clarisonic. Clarisonic is, I'm sure, like the greatest thing ever, but it's like $200 and up, and I can't afford that. So, but this one does a really great job. There's like a pink one and a blue one. I think they're both the same price. It's $20 on Amazon. I've been using this really soft head because I have super sensitive skin. It comes with two others. This one is a little bit more coarse, and this one is just a little tiny bit softer than this one, but it's got longer bristles. So there's that. And then it does come with a pumice stone if you want to do your feet. It does also come with a little pink soft one that you could manicure your hands with a little easier if you don't have horrible looking hands already. And comes with this really neat little massager, and it says you can use lotion with this one. You can put some lotion and apply it on your face. And then the last one is a makeup sponge. I don't know for sure how to use this. I don't know if you can use like makeup on it, or I don't know. I have not used this one yet, so, and I don't think I will use that one. I plan on using all of them. I have used the little massager just on my clean face. It was really nice. Felt really relaxing. So anyway, I'm gonna go through like all the steps of my face routine and like talk about what I do and the things that I use. First thing I do, I use these Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelettes. These are my favorite, and in my personal opinion, they're the best makeup wipes, and I just use them all over my face. I just like to kind of like let the wipe kind of remove the mascara. So I just hold it there for a second. this is usually what my makeup wipes look like. So the next thing that I do is I get a cotton round or a cotton ball, whatever you use, and I use a micellar water. Right now I'm using the Pacifica Cactus Water Cleansing Tonic. I can't really use this too many days in a row because it makes my face really oily, but the way I'm using it now, I think it's okay. And I just kind of run it all over my face and go down my neck. Usually like something like this. It's pretty grody. And then the next thing that I do, which you might be like, why did you use the micellar water? But I really like to make sure that I get as clean as possible because I have very acne prone skin and I want my skin to be clean, oil free, blackhead free, pimple free, and I really want to open up my pores. I will turn on the hot water, not like scalding hot, but not too cold, somewhere in between, just enough where I get a little bit of steam, and I'll kind of massage the water into my face a little bit. And I won't quite dry my face because the next step we will be using our great little tool here, and I'm gonna go do that real quick. Okay, so I am here with my wet face, and I'm going to use, right now I'm using this Olay Gentle Clean facial cleanser. Just gonna get my Pixnor bristles a little bit wet. I have some water right here, and I just apply a generous amount of the cleanser onto the bristles, and then I start using it on my face. Okay, so now that I have brushed it, it's time to rinse, and once again I'll rinse with warm water, and then I will pat dry my face because I don't want to irritate my skin, and I will rinse out my head, and I will be back again. Now that my face is dry, washed and dry, I am going to move on to the next step. And I'm going to need another one of these guys. My camera keeps moving around. And I like to use a toner or astringent. Right now I'm just using this one from Equate because I don't have another one, and I just needed one, and that one will work fine for now. And I just run it all over my face and right around this area where I break out. And this is usually always clean whenever I am done with it, and that usually helps me to see that I have done a good job washing my face. And then I let it sink in, and I kind of air dry it this way. And the last step for like my face is I use a pump of this dual action moisturizer by Clean and Clear. I just started using this about the time that I got my Pixnor brush, and I really like it. I feel like it does something. I feel something happening when I use it, and I like the way it feels, and I like how my skin feels when I'm using it, and that makes me happy. To use some kind of an eye balm or an eye lotion of sorts. Right now I'm using the Caudalie Resveratrol Lift. It's like an anti-aging balm. I just use this all over and under my eye. And I swipe it, and then I pat it in. This stuff, it feels kind of tingly when you put it on as it's like sinking in and doing what it's doing, and I feel like it actually works. If my eyes are just feeling a little bit dry, I use just like a regular eye moisturizer. But anyway, and then if I have like dry lips or like they're flaky or something, I'll use a lip balm, or not a lip balm, a lip scrub, and just kind of get rid of it. I did that last night though, so I'm not gonna do it right now. But that is pretty much it for what I do. Thing has two settings, low and high, and like I said, has different brushes and different things that you can do with it, like pumiceing your feet and manicuring, and it exfoliates really well, and my skin is looking and feeling a lot better. And since I've gotten it, my makeup goes on so much smoother and looks so much better, and I've just really been liking and enjoying it, so I thought I would make this video to show what I do with it. And that is pretty much it. I hope you liked this video. It's not sponsored by any means because I have like 20 something followers. Yeah, it's not sponsored, and it's just a product I really like and enjoy, and I hope that others will find it helpful, especially if they're looking for a product like this to use because their skin is troublesome like mine. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.